It says in the manual that the way to get the controller to bind to the airplane is to put the battery in. As you can see, it's flashing. That flashing is supposed to mean that it's ready to connect. Turn on the controller. The controller makes all the right sounds. Battery strength is good. The transmitter strength is full. But as you can see, the light is still flashing. Now normally I wouldn't do this, but I'll turn the throttle up. The propeller doesn't move. I'll try and do the ailerons and the rudder. I'll show you. The rudder doesn't do anything. The ailerons don't do anything. And the propeller doesn't do anything. Now I'll try the reverse, which some people have said will fix the issue, but it doesn't. Now I'll turn the controller on first. And then I'll connect the airplane. Notice the flashing going on in there. That's continuous. It means it's trying to connect, but it doesn't. I'll try the throttle, which would be a stupid thing to do if it was going to connect because the plane would thrash around. I'll try the rudder and the flap. Nothing's working. As you can see, that will flash forever. I've left it as long as 10 minutes. And there's something definitely wrong here.